Hi, my name is Robia Surahman from University Technology of Malaysia. Together with my other researcher, Nur Khairia Muhammad, Salfarina Samsudin and Nur Hariza Abdul Halim, we are doing the research on the comparative analysis between traditional village and Felda settlement on solid waste management in Kota Tinggi district in Johor Bahru. Solid waste management has an important role in enabling sustainability and developing country. The increasing household solid waste generation has become a major problem due to the activity, the control, collection, processing and disposal of economic, social and environmental policy. A systematic and proper management of solid waste is important in order to maintain a clean and safe environment. Malaysia produce an average of 30,000 tonnes of waste every day. Unfortunately, only 5% of it is recycled, and the collection is mostly confined to urban area within the local authority boundary. And for rural area, the collection method are limited. Mostly self-reliance and rely heavily on disposal in the area of each household. And currently, the responsibility of solid waste management in rural area does not belong to any specific agencies. However, the Ministry of Health has taken the initiative in providing technical advice and guidelines to ensure the health and well-being of the rural population. Our research has made a comparative analysis of solid waste in rural area in terms of characteristic, management and several potential methods that can be applied. A study was conducted in 46 places which include traditional village and Felda settlement in Kota Tinggi district in Johor. Rural community typically do not run the government design programs such as waste separation and recycling because their area are located outside the local authority boundary. Also, there is no proper solid waste management infrastructure and guideline on how to manage waste, especially household waste in rural area. Thus, if there is any recycling program or systematic solid waste management in rural area, it is mostly organized by the local community or NGOs. And to date, there are only a few areas that have applied a systematic solid waste management that is established. This has certainly improved the area cleanliness and hygiene and reduced serious disease. Results from the survey show that most of the traditional village, which is around 61%, use traditional method like on-site burning, animal feeding or self-transferred to well-lit dustbin outside the village area. And the positive finding shows that rural villages also can contribute to the good solid waste management if they have a proper guidance and advice from related agencies. It is revealed from the finding of survey at Felda settlement, where approximately 90% of them use modern method by hiring contractor to manage the solid waste. Danish International Development Assistance or DANIDA suggested the method of solid waste management using traditional village zoning approach. The zoning category is to describe the situation in the village through the existing transportation condition such as road, and a proper solid waste management that provided by the local authority require a good road condition to facilitate the accessibility of the garbage truck into an area and make a collection from house to house. Since there were lack of management on solid waste in rural area, a case study was employed to assess the applicability of the zonal system approach. And if such a system is implemented, to what extent the community willing to participate considering the location and the distance from the nearest landfill. This study was conducted in 3 zones based on the accessibility for truck collection for solid waste management and map using the Google Earth. Zone A can be accessed by collecting collection truck for house-to-house collection. Zone B can access by collection truck for bulk collection, but with lack of road condition. And Zone C shows the community that cannot be accessed by collection truck due to poor road condition and lack of accessibility. The communities near to the local authority boundaries have well-managed solid waste management served either by individual initiative or contractor appointed by local authority. Hence, the rest still use traditional method like on-site burning, animal feeding, or self-transfer to the nearest valid bin. Unlike the local authority solid waste management, the service was included in assessment rate. In contrast to the rural area communities, which there are no compulsory to pay any tax for the purpose of solid waste management. To conclude, most of the communities in rural area are accessible for waste collection by truck. Nonetheless, this also depends if the community are ready to pay some charge to appoint contractor. And the activities such as 3R, reduce, recycle, and reuse can be conducted by the community by their own initiative. Once a week collection for area with contractor and self-transfer to the recycle center for our area without contractor. Thanks all for this presentation session. Thank you.